In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a letterhead in Google Sheets on a desktop. This simple yet effective method will help you design a clean and professional letterhead template that you can easily use for your business correspondence. Let's dive in. First, begin by opening a blank Google Sheets file. This will serve as our canvas for designing the letterhead. Once you have your new sheet open, head over to File in the top menu and click on Page Setup. Here, you can choose the paper size, orientation, and margins that you desire for your letter document. Setting these parameters at the start will guide the layout and ensure that your letterhead prints out perfectly. Now, let's create the header section of your letterhead. At the top of your sheet, possibly starting in row 1, merge several cells across the width of the page. For example, you might merge from cell A1 to F1 to create a spacious header box. This area will be dedicated to your company's branding and information. Next, it's time to personalize your header with your logo. Click on Insert, then hover over Image, and decide whether you wish to insert directly into a cell or over cells. After selecting your logo, position and resize it to fit neatly within the header box. In the same merged cell, you can begin to include essential information like your company name, address, contact info, and perhaps a catchy tagline if you have one. Take a moment to format the font, colors, and alignment to reflect your brand's identity. This step ensures a cohesive and professional appearance. Below the header, remember to leave a row or two empty. This space will house the body content of your letters, allowing some breathing room and separation from the header. If you're thinking about adding footer content, such as your website, a phone number, or even page numbering, focus on the rows towards the bottom of the sheet. You can merge these cells just like in the header and format the text to suit your needs. For more customized printing options, you can go to File, Print, and then modify custom headers and footers in the Headers and Footers section. One important step is to adjust the grid format on the sheet so that grid lines are not visible when printed. A clear, gridline-free letterhead presents a neater finish. To do this, navigate to View, click Show, and uncheck grid lines. When your design meets all your expectations and you're ready to either print or export your letterhead, go to File and select Print. Be sure to check the print preview to verify that everything, including header alignment and margins, is exactly as you want it. Finally, to keep this layout as a go-to template for future use, save this sheet by giving it a name like Letterhead Template. Whenever you need to draft a new letter, simply create a copy by clicking File, and then make a copy. This way, your professional letterhead is always just a click away.